Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you the handbags that I bought this year. I will give you a short rundown of all of the bags that I bought, and I have something special at the end for you guys as well. So if you're interested in what that is, then keep on watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Freya and I do fashion and luxury content here on YouTube. So if that's something you're interested in, then feel free to subscribe down below. It's free and it really helps me out. And today I thought I would share all of the handbags that I bought in 2022. I did this video last year as well and you guys really liked it, so I thought I would do it this year as well. If you're interested in the old video, then check it out in the description box. I will link it there. Also, I will link the reviews of the bags that I did as well, so if you're interested in any further information, then feel free to check it out. So a quick backstory of why I bought these specific handbags was that I actually purchased one bag in specific last year, which was my Gucci Ophidia bag, and this was a vintage find that I had on TheVintageBar, and this kind of started my craze of buying vintage bags. So I almost only exclusively bought vintage bags this year, which is very good because obviously vintage bags are mostly more affordable than going directly into the store. And initially the only bag that I wanted to buy this year was a Chanel Classic Flap. I didn't do that. However, I did score some amazing finds that I wanted to share. So let's start off with the first one. So this is the first bag that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the Prada Canapa Tote. I actually picked this up in May and I picked this up for 480 euros off of the TheVintageBar, and it was in excellent condition. It didn't have anything wrong with it. As you can see, the bottom doesn't have any marks. The only little mark was, I think, on the side. It was like a little coffee stain or something. I can't even find it. And it came with all of the paperwork. It came with the dust bag, authenticity card, everything, even with like the tags attached. So this was in perfect condition, and this type of bag style isn't new to Prada whatsoever. This is still on the website in other sizes, I feel like, and this also has a thick canvas shoulder strap, so you can wear it on the shoulder, which makes it really comfortable. But I also like to wear it on the crook of my arm. I think this is a really neat style, especially if you have like a picnic or something in the summer. And I actually did take this to Paris with me. I also took this to Italy with me this year. I went to Milan and Lake Como, and this was a very good companion because you could actually fit a lot for like a day trip. The only thing that is kind of a problem is that it does not have any button or something to close it off, but it does have very deep pockets on the side. Like I can fit my whole hand into these pockets where you can put like your keys, your wallets, your phone, everything you don't want to be stolen can fit in there, and the rest you can put just in the main compartment. I also took like a little cardigan to like wear on top of my outfit, and I did actually put the cardigan on top of the bag so nobody would steal, because I know in like big cities like Paris or Milan, you gotta be careful for pickpocketers. Is that the word? I think it is. So yeah, anyway, so I scored this one. I'm super happy about it, and let's move on to the second bag. The second bag was actually the bag that I bought the first, this was the first bag that I bought this year, and I think I picked this up in February, and I wanted a bag that I could take on my trip, or maybe it was March, that I could take on my trip to the USA, because I actually wanted something to put like groceries or whatever I'm buying in there, because I didn't want to just get all of the plastic bags in the US. I know that like since I lived in the US and since I've been there so many times, that there's still a lot of plastic bags happening, and since Germany banned all of the plastic bags altogether, I wanted to, I don't know, be a little mindful. So I bought this one, and I actually also use this as a beach bag. So this is the Longchamp Le Pliage Filet bag in the color Ecru, and I wasn't sure when I first got it because I thought maybe it wasn't the best purchase, but then again I only paid 60 euros. Back then it was 75 euros and I got 20% off of it. I bought this on Fashionette. This one I didn't buy secondhand obviously, but I think it was a really, really great steal, and I love wearing this on the handle. I think this is so cute, and I use it for grocery shopping in Germany as well because you can pack it really small and even put it in like a camera bag or something like that, so you always have a second bag on you. This is really, really handy and I really like it for that reason, and I've actually used it way more than I thought I would. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures because every time I use this bag it's very casual and I don't take any pictures, so I actually don't have a picture of me. But I took this to the US, like I said. I took it to Egypt. I went to Egypt this year, and all of like my beachy vacations I took it with me because I felt like it was really handy. And like I said, you can just like tuck it in your bag and use it as a grocery bag or whatever. And I just think those types of bag, obviously you can also buy these at the grocery stores, this net bags, but this obviously is more fancy, and I think it's really cute with the leather detailing. It's gotten dirty, but obviously like, I don't know, you can't really see, and I'm trying to wash this by hand and see if it gets a little cleaner, but I don't really mind because it's only these nets and you can't really tell. So yeah, this has been a great purchase. The next one is this one. I purchased this right before I went to Italy, and I know this isn't a really summery bag, but I thought like, wow, I got this off of TheVintageBar as well, and I got this for 350 euros. This is like a suede leather with gold hardware, because the problem with Fendi baguette bags, like vintage ones, is that they usually have silver hardware, and I much more prefer gold. So I saw this one, and I don't actually have that many black bags. Like smaller bags, I only have my Lou camera bag, and this one is just really like a little more dressy than my Yves Saint Laurent one, because that's like camera bag style and it's a little more casual, whereas this, since you can put it on the shoulder like this, it's just super, I don't know, it's just super nice and comfortable, and it just looks very good. I can't wait to style this for this festive season. By the way, I think if you're seeing this, it's 1 week before Christmas, so are we excited, guys? So it's almost Christmas, you guys, so I hope you're very excited. I'm excited. So yeah, anyway, so this is my Fendi baguette, and I love it so much. I love it so much that I really look for a mama baguette, like the bigger size, maybe in the Zucca print, because I don't, like, this is my first Fendi piece. I don't own anything from Fendi, but I was thinking like a lot of, like, with the whole scandal of like Balenciaga and other brands as well, like I think Dolce & Gabbana had like a really big scandal with like their fur and other brands as well. I've never heard anything from Fendi. Like I don't think they had any major scandals or anything, and I feel like Fendi, even though it's up there with like obviously Louis Vuitton, Dior and Yves Saint Laurent, it's still kind of underrated, and I really love their stuff. I just think like especially the baguette bag is so nice, but I also like the peekaboo bag, for example. I think this is gorgeous, and they have other really amazing designs. And yeah, I just like how they are not as trend driven as other brands. So yeah, this is a classy one. I really love her, and 350 euros. I just got a steal. And the last one, this beauty. Quick backstory. So I wanted a pink bag. I'm trying not to move so much because this bag is super loud, but I wanted a pink bag, and I have actually purchased the Jacquemus Le Chiquito Moyenne in the pink, and it was way too pink for me, and I wanted like a lighter pink, like a rosé poudre kind of pink. And I saw this on the TheVintageBar, and this has never been, I didn't even know how it was called. I just knew that I've seen it like many years ago on other people's channels. So I went back to their videos to check out how it was called because I didn't remember. So I know this is the Dior Addict, and I know this is discontinued, and I got this for 1,423.88 euros. Wow, that's very specific, but yeah, I got this 22% off. I also got it off of TheVintageBar, and this is the smoothest lambskin leather I've ever seen, and the inside is like a pink suede. So gorgeous, and yeah, it came with everything. And by the way, all of the bags that I buy from TheVintageBar, except my Ophidia, that wasn't excellent condition, but I always try to buy excellent condition, or even new with tags. So I think this one was excellent condition, and the other two were new with tags because they came with like the tags and everything, like the packaging and everything. And the sticker, like on this Dior bag, it had still the stickers on there. So that's how I try and manage around the website, because sometimes if it's like a good condition or something, it does have some marking, and it just depends on where they are. If they're just in the inside, I guess it's fine, but I don't want like a really beat up bag, because then I don't know, like the Gucci bag, the Ophidia bag I bought to go, like, it's my dog walking bag, so I didn't think it was that bad to have it like be kind of worn. But with these other bags, I wanted it to be in really good condition, so I always paid attention to that. So if you guys shop on there, just keep in mind that you should go for excellent or new with tag condition, because then you will have an immaculate product. But yeah, so this is my 4 bags that I bought this year. And I totaled them all up. I don't know if you guys care, but I feel like, I mean, 4 designer handbags, obviously that's a lot of money, but I'm kind of proud of myself because I only spent 2,314 euros for all of them, which is not bad. And 1,400 was this one alone. Okay, and last but not least, I promised you guys a surprise. So I have a little tiny unbagging for you guys. I didn't want to call it unboxing, but it's an unbagging, because I picked up something that I wanted. I wanted this, like I wanted something like this for a while, but I haven't found one that I really liked for a good price. And I went on TheVintageBar on Black Friday, and this was basically my only Black Friday purchase that I made that was like clothes related or luxury related. I only bought stuff for my new apartment because we're actually gonna move place after Christmas. So I picked up Dior scarf, and I think this is so cute. And I bought this because you can actually wear it, okay, don't mind me, but you can actually wear it obviously as like a neck scarf, which is super cute. Or what I really like during the summer, this kind of looks rubbish now, but we're gonna try it out. If you have your hair open, and sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder, but if you put it like this, and if you have like, I don't know, like little curls in your hair, I think this is gonna look so cute like this. So I don't know, I probably look really stupid, and I thought like a white dress and this handbag, how cute. And I have my Dior earrings, and I can just imagine this. It even has the Dior tag on there as well, and it's 100% silk. So this is how the pattern is, and it also has like golden threads running through. So I think this is so gorgeous, and in combination with this bag, I could also like tie it around this bag or something. I think this is a good purchase. And the best part is the price. I actually paid 52.74, which I thought was a great steal, but I really liked it. So tell me guys if you think this was a good purchase. I also like, I like how you can like tie this also as like a little headband, so I could wear it like as a headband like this, or I could also what I really like, if you have like a ponytail and you have some curls in it, just tie it as like a bow. That is also really cute. So I just thought it would be a great purchase for the summer. I don't know how much I will wear it in winter, probably not that much, but for spring and summer, I think this is a really cool accessory. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what was your favorite purchase that you had this year. And I'm super excited for Christmas, for the end of this year. Please stay healthy, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye guys.